Hi, welcome to a SolidWorks 2022 video tutorial. It's a follow-up to the last one, the storage compartment. And this time I want to show you two variations of the original surface, which is this one. And these are the two variations. So that one is just done with one loft surface, and this one uses, similar to the original one, two loft surface, one over here, one over there. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. Okay, so these are the curves for the original surface. I need two more sketches. I want to go for a 2D sketch. So go for a sketch, and that would be on this plane 5 in this case. And I want to bring in those curves here, so go for Convert Entities, select the line, the arc, and that small line here, confirm and confirm. Now I need two more lines here and there, so I could do a new 3D sketch. I could draw new lines, or I just could use these and bring them in. So go for Convert Entities, select this one here, and that one here, and confirm. And now, finish that sketch, I can do a loft. So go for Lofted Surface, go for the Selection Manager, use Select Group, select this line, that arc, this line, that arc here, and this line, confirm. That's Profile 1. Go for another group, Selection Manager, select this line here, that arc, this line, that arc, and this line, confirm, which gives me this surface. And now I want to add two guide curves. So select this one here, go again for the Selection Manager, select this line, that arc, and this small line, confirm, and add another one, select this line here, that arc, and this small one, and confirm and confirm, which gives me this second surface. Now, in order to compare them, I would have to move the first one here, this one, in that direction, hide this one, do a new one, and move the third one into this direction, or move that one over here and the first one up there. So I should have in my features a move command, move copy bodies, yes. So let's take a look. Maybe hide the second surface and show the first one. Then go for move copy bodies. And I want to move that surface knit, not a copy but the original one, in, that's the Y direction, maybe 500. And confirm. Then I could hide this surface here, show the other one, and move this one again. So go for move copy bodies, and now I want to move it along the Y direction, but in the opposite direction, and that would be minus 500. Enter and confirm, and hide this one as well. And now I can do my second variation with this curves and maybe bring back those which are hidden. So maybe bring back this one, show it, and that one here, that was the 2D sketch. This one. Okay, and now let's do a different surface. So I want to split that surface into multiple surfaces. So let's start with another lofted surface. Go for the selection manager and select just that line here, confirm, and then again select just this line here, confirm. Move that point up here, add a guide, and that guide would be this here. So maybe that's the 3D sketch. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks like that. Looks okay. And I want it to be here at the end constraint along a direction. Like that. And confirm. Same on the other side. So go here. Go again for lofted surface. Go for that selection manager. Select this line. Confirm. And select that line. Confirm. And remove that, it's still there. Okay, looks good. Now add here, go for the selection manager, select this line and that arc. Confirm, nice. And again, I want to have an end constraint along a direction, that would be again this direction. And confirm. I will need another 3D sketch, I will need a line from this point to that point, so go for a 3D sketch, select a line, choose this point here, the end of the arc, this one, go over there and again select the end point of that arc and select, confirm, and leave that sketch. Now I could do here a loft, just as practice, so go for loft. Now I want to select this edge here, so go here and go for select other and select the edge. Then go over here, again go for select other, select the edge. Looks good. Start end constraint. Let's try to go for tangency to face for both ends. Looks good. And I could add guide curves. This line here, but that's the wrong one. Delete. I need not the construction line, but the real one. So go to select other, and that would be maybe this one here. And that one here, and confirm. So that's okay, and confirm. And now I want to make a loft here and one loft over here and one loft over there, just for practice. So go for loft. And this could start with that one here, this line. And then I want to go for the edge. Here, select other, go for the edge, that's okay. Confirm. Go for the guide. This arc, that line. Confirm. And add the same on the other side, this arc, that line, confirm. And I want to have tangency with the and constraint here to face. And confirm. Now let's close those two. So go for another lofted surface. Go for the selection manager. That's an edge, that's okay. And here I want to have the edge, not the curve. So just confirm this here. Then again, go over there. Make sure you get the edge like this. Confirm. So this might be down there. Yeah. Guide curve would be this arc here. And I wanted to have tangency to the surfaces on both ends. Tangency and tangency. Confirm. Nice. Same over here. Go for another lofted surface. That would be again this edge. Confirm. There's only the edge, so no problem here. And there you have to make sure you got the edge. So go for select other. Go for the edge. That's okay. Confirm. Looks good. Go for the guide curve. That's this arc. And then add tangency on both ends. And confirm. And now I could knit this together. So go for knit surface. Where is it? There you go. This surface, that surface, this one, that one, this one, and that one. And confirm. Now let's show those other surfaces. This one and that one. And now in order to compare it properly, maybe hide the sketches. All sketches, this one, maybe the curves as well. Go for evaluate and activate maybe the zebra stripes. And you see there are differences. Yeah. We could check curvature as well. Yeah. Okay. And I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like, leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like, leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be really helpful. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.